In this video, we will see how an employee can apply for his leaves using the employee self-services. When the employee logs into his self-services using his credentials, he will be able to see the landing page as shown over here, where he can view the message board, alerts, and a couple of other dashboards. On the left, you have a few tabs which is segregated module-wise. For example, you have document management, where you can maintain your attachments and your person profile, your org management, where you can view your org chart, your appraisals, leaves, loans, payroll, recruitment, training, and HR forms. So based on what you are eligible into viewing and editing, you will be able to see those options over here. Now to apply for a leave, go into leaves, leave application. Your existing applications are seen over here. If you want to create a new application, click on new. Select your employee. Now if in your department you have other team members present as well, you will be able to see their names as well over here in this field. So which means that you can apply for leave on your peers' behalf as well. Enter the date where you want to go on leave to. Enter the leave group, whether it's sick leave, loss of pay, annual leave, and depending on the leave group selected, your payment type is selected automatically. If it's, for example, say sick leave and you need to attach some medical certificates, then you have an option of attachment as well over here. Once you enter all the details, click on load. And when you click on load, you will see some information which is already populated. Your duration and number of leaves come from your from date and to date that you've mentioned over here. If there are any public holidays and weekly offs maintained in your calendar in the back end, you will be able to see them here as well. You can enter some more information like contact number, address. You can enter the substitute employee who would be working if you are on leave in case there's an emergency, and the reason for your leave. Below you see the different types of leave, the total leaves that you can avail, the ones that you've already used so far, and the balance that's there and what you want to use right now. So here if you see, this one's already pre-populated, coming again from date to date. So if this information is correct, you click on save. And when you click on save, go again into leave application. You will be able to see a new entry with a new document number in the status pending, which means this application has now gone to another level, for example your manager or HR for approval, and once they approve, which means that your leaves are approved and you can take them. Now when the manager logs on to his system, he will see the notifications that he has to approve that are pending for his approvals. For example, leaves are over here, and then loans if there are any as well. You can see the alerts over here. For example, there's one leave application that's pending. If there are any loan applications, that will come out here, and similarly all the other approvals would be seen over here on the alerts dashboard. So click on the pending leave application from the employee, check whether everything's correct, and you can either approve, reject, or even delete this entry. When you click on approve, maintain the reason or add your own remarks and add them. So this leave has now been approved. We will go back to the employee screen to see if the employee can see whether his leaves have been approved or not. And when you go back to the employee screen, Hussain, who has applied for the leave, here you see the status has been changed from pending to approved. When you click on edit to view the document, you see over here a signature which says approved, which means this document is now completely approved. This is how you can create and apply for leaves using your employee self-services.